and today I'm going to talk about the thing that I have learned in business class. And I have to answer all three questions. How do you know you learn it? Why do you learn it? And what do you learn? So I will talk about what do you learn it first, and then I will combine with how do you know you learn it, because what do you learn it is like the standard I have learned. I think it's 4 standard, and then I will explain what is that about. So that is the way to show how I know I learned it. Yeah. For the first one, it's about the culture and diversity in business. So why it is important to know the culture and diversity in business? Because you need to know the corporate culture, and you need to know the diversity issue. Like, if you have a diversity in business, it's good for you because you have like many employers, and the employers that you have is from like every different culture, so they can show you, and they can show you their culture and show how to serve their people in their country. So in business, you have to know the business etiquette is like acceptable and manner in business. So to get along together, you must accept and manner to your friend that from different country to country and different culture. Another one is the worker aboard. So to successful in the marketplace in another country, you must know the different language and the costume, how to serve them. Yeah, so it's important to have like many employers in the different culture, so they can help you to do the business in different country. And of course, you learn this, you must know corporate culture. It's the company that's sharing a value, the belief, and the goal. And it's have like 2 things. It's formal and informal. So formal is like strict to hierarchy and the chance of the command. And when you're making a decision or the order is really complicated and really hard to do it. The job title is really important because it shows status. And the dress code is like really strict. Yeah. And another one is informal. Informal is like you can do whatever you want. It's your decision to your own. Yeah, you can make your decision and allow to dress whatever you want in the workplace. And another one is you can work at home, and also the job title is not that important because it's about the teamwork and how creative you are. Next standard is 3.2 is about developing and retaining employees. So to develop employees, they must be oriented, training, and evaluated. Orientation is helping the new employers to adjust to the company. Training is involve learning a new job and a skill by having a group training. Last one is evaluating. It's like how good your employers do the work or the job. Yeah, so it's like evaluate. Yeah. Next standard is 3.5 is about technology in the workplace. So how it is important, such as the electronic information transform, is allow us to like work faster, such as the ATM. So you can like transform the money from another country to another country or information. Yeah. For virtual training, it's help people to simulate the real situations using a computer, and it's help us many way. For example, it's like the safe way to learn how to fly by using the computer and create a situation. Virtual reality is like 3D virtual world created by the computer, such as Google Earth. They use computer to create the 3D Earth, so you can see everything around the world. Yeah. Telecommuting is like allowing us to work at home by using the technology to contact with the workplace by using phone, email, computer to work at your house, and then you can contact to the workplace. So it's have many advantage and disadvantage. I will give you an example of 2 or 3. So for advantage, of course, you saving costs and decrease the traffic and no uniform. But for at disadvantage, you're lacking in the teamwork because you have to stay at your house and doing work alone. And of course, the physical communication because you not go work but you work in your house and you use the technology to contact, so you just listen to the voice and not seeing face to face. Yeah. Finally, its last standard is 4.6. It's about the consumer decision, right, and responsibility. And for the consumer decision, how to be the smart consumer by studying advertisement, reading a consumer publication, shop at sale, and using a shopping list, resist the pressure and agreement. And also the last one is read the label and warranty. So for the right of the consumers, as you know, they have 4 basic right. For the first one is right to be informed. Second, right to be choose. The third, right to be safety. And the last one is the right to be heard. Yeah, that is the 4 basic thing, but it have like 3 more. It's the right to be problem corrected, and the right to be consumer education, and the last one is the right to be service. So for responsibility of the consumer, you must be informed, choosing carefully, pollution, conserving resources, recycle, using the product safety, speak out, seeks a remedy, and the last one is to learn consumer skill. Yeah, this is all the responsibility of consumers. Yeah. Finally, is the last question is why do you learn it? So as you know, a business is in our life and is everywhere around us. So to make sure your business is successful, you need to know all the things that will make your business grow and stronger, such as the diversity in business is help you know more the workplace in different country, and also if you know the technology, it will help you reach every part around the world by the technology like cell phone, the internet, the computer. It can make you reach every part in the world. Also developing and training employees to make your employees are good and having a new skill and have the same goal in your business to make sure your business will be the best. And for your life, you need to know the right and responsibility, how to be a smart consumer to make sure you will not get tricked by other people or lied or another people lying to you about the product. So if you know this, you know how to be a smart consumer and you will get the good product. So this is why everything that we are learning is really important to the future and of course to today that we are learning, and we can use this knowledge on the future if you want to have the business, and you can use all the tricks that you have learned to make your business grow stronger. Thank you for listening. Bye.